In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot for free. We'll walk through the official ways to access it, what you can do at no cost, and how it differs from paid plans, so you can get productive right away without spending anything. The easiest way is on the web. Open your preferred browser, Chrome, Edge, or another modern option, and go to copilot.microsoft.com. You can start using it immediately, but signing in with a free Microsoft account is recommended so your experience feels more consistent across sessions. Once you're in, just start chatting as you would with any AI assistant. Ask questions and get clear answers, paste text or a link to a website and ask for a summary, draft emails and essays, brainstorm ideas, and even generate images with limited daily usage. If you're coding or studying, Copilot can help explain concepts, outline solutions, and suggest examples. For best results, be specific with your prompts, provide context when you can, and tell Copilot the style or tone you want. If you're on Windows 11, you can also use Copilot right inside the operating system. Look for the Copilot icon on the taskbar, or press the shortcut if you've enabled it. Sign in if you're prompted, then chat directly without opening a separate browser tab. Microsoft continues to expand Copilot deeper into Windows, including taskbar and search integration, making it useful for quick lookups, summaries, and drafting while you're working in other apps. Another free option is inside Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and click the Copilot icon in the sidebar. This lets you ask questions while you browse. A helpful tip here is to reference the page you're viewing, like summarize this article or explain this report, to get context-aware answers and highlights without leaving the site. Now, a quick breakdown of free versus paid. Free Copilot gives you chat-based AI writing help, web-powered answers, basic image generation, and general productivity tools. If you upgrade to Copilot Pro or Microsoft 365 Copilot, you get advanced Office integration across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, faster responses with priority access, and business-focused or advanced AI features designed for heavier workloads. One important update: as of 2026, Microsoft is shifting Copilot so the free version remains mostly chat-based while more advanced Office features continue moving into paid plans. That means the no-cost options are still powerful for everyday use, and the paid tiers focus on deeper productivity and enterprise needs. Try the method that fits your workflow best and start getting value from Copilot today. No purchase required.